Hey guys, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got the April release sneak peek, which I've been showing since this started. This is number 3. So it started in January. And so the sneak peek comes a month in advance. So I actually got this in March, but I can't show it to you until April. So, because I already have the newest one, which is the May release, which I can give you a sneak peek of the sneak peek before we get into this one. And this is the sneak peek of the May release. So, all right, so this one, if you can't tell, it's all about butterflies. So Waffle Flower sent the Sneak Peek Club, for those of you that didn't see the other videos. They have a release every month, and the sneak peek is just like a grab bag of what will be for sale in, like this one will be for sale in May. And they pick just at random. I don't know. I guess maybe they figure out things that'll go together or whatever. But there's a lot more product than, than we get. So, so like I said, it's butterflies. And so there's a butterfly shaker stencil, coloring stencil. And even though it says it's a shaker, you don't have to use it as a shaker. Though it does come with the slim shaker. And then it comes with the dies. So you can use the dies to do the shaker, or you can use the dies just to cut after you've, used your stencil to color. And then they always usually have some words. This one says mom, sister, friend, dreams, grandma, flutter, thank you, sending hugs, do come true, you are loved, you make my heart across the miles, butterfly kisses, fluttering by, and just say hello. So you can mix and match. And then this time it actually comes with a stamp set, which is cool. It says fluttering by to say hi, thank you, fluttering by to say hello, fluttering by to say I miss you, and you are loved, dreams do come true, and sending hugs. And so you don't necessarily need to use the butterfly. I mean, sending hugs is perfect for anything. Thank you. And you can always cut them so they don't say. You can just do I miss you, or you can mask off. So I have a couple of bird dies, and it'll be perfect for those two. Birds flutter by. So anyway, so that's it. So like I said, you get just a little bit of random items from whatever is going to be released the next month. But they always make sure that there's enough to do something with it. And let me see. So they... this is with it just colored in. And then this is where they made a shaker card. And then there's usually how-to videos. There's a Facebook group just for the sneak peeks. And I think, pretty sure it's $29.99 a month. So, I mean, if you want something fun and different and a surprise, then it's a fun little club to belong to. Also, part of the sneak peek is you get first dibs on the rest of the release. So you can go in, they send you an email and say, you know, that your sneak peek club is going to be shipping. Here's the link to the rest of the release. And then you can choose what you want, and they'll include it when they send you the sneak peek. And I'm pretty sure you don't have to pay extra shipping, if I recall. I've only done it a couple of times. But, you know, that way you get what you want, and you don't have to worry about it, you know, if it's super popular and it's selling out. So, anyway, so that's it. Kit number 3, sneak peek, Waffle Flower sneak peek club. I haven't been disappointed yet, and the next one is really, really cool. I can't wait for May so I can show you that one. So, all right, so that's it. So, thanks for stopping by, like I said, and watching. Leave me a comment if you've joined the Sneak Peek Club and how you like it so far. If you have any questions about it, I can try to answer, or I can point you in the right direction. Waffle Flower has, it's small, but it's growing. They have lots of different products. So the first thing I think I bought from them was my Waffle Flower multimedia mat, which I love. So, all right, so that's it. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you'd like to subscribe, it's easy. You could just hit that subscribe button, and there's a bell. And if you hit that, it'll send you notification when there is a new video. That way you can decide whether you want to watch it, but you never miss anything. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. It really registers well with YouTube, and it helps grow my channel, which is, you know, just a little tiny channel, but we're growing slowly. So, all right, so that's it. So once again, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.